Hi there everybody and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another perfume rotation video. If this is your type of content, please don't forget to like, comment and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you are up to date with all the juicy videos. So let's talk about it. So guys, I'm going to be talking about fragrances, but again I'll be wearing for the next 7 weeks. I'm very excited to try some that I've not ever worn out. And also guys, you're going to see some, if you've been here right since the beginning, my first ever autumn rotation video, you will see fragrances from then. And it's quite interesting now, as I look at these fragrances, the fragrances that I had in my collection then and the ones that I have now. I remember Friday Candy is gone, my Aquilina Pink Sugar has gone. Can't remember what else was there, but yeah, so let's just get into it. So I've kind of did some color coordination because that's how I've set it up. So let's start off with the black bottles. Don't you love a black bottle? So this is this is the Intense. I don't know what year this came out, but it has since been reformulated. The bottle has changed, but what's really weird is that now that I picked this up, it does actually smell like the new one, the 2021 one version. So it's got that sort of syrupy blackcurrant, but I think the notes just a slight difference. I think this one has a vanilla possibly in it, but I will keep you dated when I do my update. I decided to add my last Kayali from the Discovery set. This is the Elixir, so patchouli apple scent. It'll be quite interesting because I think you probably gathered that I'm not particularly fond of these types of scents, but let's see how I'll get on. It's usually the dry down that I have issues with. So that is Kayali the Elixir. Then we have Legere. So this was not in my first ever video, but it came afterwards. This is a lighter, slightly brighter version of the original, but what I detect most is a green apple note. Even though it's Legere, like usually when a perfume does a Legere version, it seems to be very watered down, but this is still quite strong, quite good performance. So it'll be interesting. Another thing is that this is reminding me of both the Croziers and the Ice Star, that patchouli praline type of dry down. So this one I'm really interested to see how I get on with this one, because there's something I like about it and there's something I don't, so I'll be really interested to see. Then we have Neon, which for me is probably my most in terms of performing, my most performing black opium. It's just quite ambery. There's dragon fruit in this one. I do prefer the dry down. I don't particularly like smelling it from the cap. It's slightly too ambery. Let's do another black bottle. This is a Flowerbomb Extreme. So it's a more vanilla version of the original. This one does remind me of La Vie Belle, one of the flankers anyway. So yeah, let's see how this goes on, but I love the dry down of this one also. One that does actually come in the black bottle is Athalia from Perfumes de Mali. This is a incensey iris orange blossom scent. So I think I'll wear this one and see whether I will at some point purchase a full bottle. And then we have which comes in a red bottle from Juliette Has a Gun, and this is, I think, a vanilla scent, which I think this is the one that gets compared to I think it's Ken's, one of the pink Kenzo bottle, Hypnotic Poison EDT, that sort of creamy, sort of powdery scent. Okay, next one is the Kayali Invite Only Amber 23. A new recent release came out in the month of August. This one I'm unsure of. We'll see. I'm always a bit unsure when it comes to these Kayalis, how I would get on with it. It's quite cinnamon, there's honey, hazelnut, oud. Let's see how this is going, and let's see if this will be a compliment getter. Then we have one that smells quite similar. It's the honey oud, which I'm looking forward to wearing. However, when I did test it out recently, I did find the dry down to be quite masculine. So we'll see how we get on. But projection is boom. Longevity is boom. Okay, Wonder, as you know, I recently added. This is Manifesto. This is the, I was going to say Elixir, the Le Parfum. This one, the more I play around with it, is from the cap, from the atomizer, sorry, it does smell like the original. But on the dry down, guys, this is just, it's a beautiful, the vanilla is the most heaviest in this one, or more detectable. The dry down has this sweet, creamy vanilla. So I do prefer this one over the Elixir in the purple bottle. So I can't wait to rock that one. But this one, I'll be honest, I'm not going to wear it that much in this 6 weeks. I might wear it in the sort of Christmas period. We'll see. But it's just on the shelf because it needs to get sprayed. Okay, let's move on. This one, you know it's a love. You guys know how much I love this. This is Folie. I do want to purchase actually a bigger bottle. Probably will at some point. This is a beautiful sort of red fruits, vanilla scent. Projection is boom. The lasting power is boom. Just can't fault this. It's just beautiful. It's got that I think it's bonbon vanilla. Oh gosh, the bows come off. Oh, okay, whatever, can't get the cap on. We have this one. I think, yeah, this one was in my original video. This one is Jimmy Choo Fever. I can't remember if, yes, there's plum. This one is plum. It's, for me, I find it very lactonic. I know there's benzoin in this one. It smells like it's got cocoa powder in it, but it doesn't. This I really, really, really do enjoy. Lasting power is moderate. Yeah, but this is again another fragrance where I wish it didn't have the benzoin in it. I wish it had more vanilla or something. Another red bottle, BDK Rouge Smoking. It's the, I think it's on many people's fall list to wear. Beautiful cherry, heliotrope, labdamen type of scent. Very like the now I have Folie out. Gosh, I can't get the cap off. I do detect some similarities actually. So yeah, it'll be interesting. But we know the lasting power for some isn't the greatest. I remember on skin it didn't perform well, but on clothing wasn't too bad. We have Lost Cherry, travel size version, beautiful cherry fragrance. I think there's almond in this one. It's like a very boozy cherry. It's just a beautiful fragrance. It's just such a shame about lasting power. And we have a full bottle of Kayali vanilla. Really would be used for layering. Then we have this one as one. I can't wait to wear this one. See Le Parfum. There's incense in this one, amber. I think it has blackcurrant. I can't remember, but very quiet. Has this sort of Middle Eastern vibe. Ooh, but I'm not going to lie. I'm going to go easy on this one. It's only 40 ml and yeah. An oldie but a goodie is my Libre Irresistible. This is the Delicieuse. Again, another almond cherry fragrance. Yeah, it's just my go-to. It smells like, yeah, there's a pastry note. It's just beautiful. So really enjoy this one. We have So Scandal, a raspberry tuberose lactonic scent. Bubblegummy. It does have this sort of laundry detergent type feel. Like I honestly feel there's jasmine in this one. We have another Manifesto. This is the Elixir. This one is a little bit, it's still sweet and powdery, but has a slight citrus note. I love this. I wish I could get like a bigger bottle of this one. Then we have Bacarrat Rouge 540 the Extrait perfume. Again, I'm not going to wear this one too much at the moment, like in this rotation. But I just thought I will obviously wear it, but probably not as much, but I'll keep it for the sort of Christmas period. Another one on that same sort of feel is the Ariana Grande Cloud. Yeah, literally do share some similarities. Coconut, is there lavender in this one? Whipped cream scent. Then I picked up a Dua fragrance, and this is cotton candy. It's like a burnt cotton candy smell. It's quite sweet. Projection is really good. Last and Power is really good. Yeah, sorry. From what I remember with this one, Last and Power, I had to spray a lot to get what I want. So you can see that I've kind of used a bit. Then we have another old favorite of mine, Libre Intense. I don't love it as much as Mon Guerlain though. Obviously, it would be staying. And it does remind me of the Valentino Intensa. Voce Viva Intensa. But yeah, nonetheless, I will still wear it. But don't know if I'll say it's in my top 20 anymore. Let's see. Tubereuse Imperiale. Do you want to get some wear out of this one? It's a big 100 ml, so do you really want to rock that one? Tubereuse scent. Sorry, this is Orange Blossom, Lavender, Vanilla. This one is Tubereuse, and I never remember. I think there's like amber. There's possibly, I think, tonka bead in the base. Then we have what I always compare to a salted caramel, cookie dough. Oh, I love this. This is Olympea Intense, the intense version, which is simply salt, vanilla, and amber. Gorgeous, gorgeous fragrance. A fragrance, guys, that started this whole collection, my whole collection that I see on YouTube. This is Elixir, Girl of Now, the original version. Beautiful almond, pistachio scent, very sweet. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's see how me and the Orange Blossom in this performs. As you know, my favorite is still the pineapple one, Girl of Now Shine, but there was just something about it that made it nauseous. I wonder if I pull it up in winter, how it will rock. We have another Orange Blossom scent, which is from Jean Paul Gaultier. It's Classique Essence, so there's whipped cream in this one. Wonder if there's benzoin as well in this one. This one I want to lay with the Kayali vanilla. Let's see how that goes. And then we have, oh no, we haven't finished. Last but not the least, we have from Perfumes de Mali, we have Safanad, Orange Blossom again, and I can't remember what other notes was here. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see. I know this one did perform really well on my skin, so let's see in terms of projection how that will work out. And I think the last one is the original Scandal, which I do enjoy, but not sure if I'll repurchase. I do want to repurchase the Paris one, A Paris, and the Scandal by Night. So yeah, oh guys, I thought this would be a long video. But guys, so here we are. As you know, guys, I will come with my roundup. I will let you know if I've added any more scents to this. But yeah, so are there any here you really love, you really feeling, you want to know more about? I'll do my roundup in about 6 to 7, let's say 7 weeks time, and let's see the dents. I think, guys, you're going to see some real dents, especially like ones that I've had for quite a while. Because I'm team overspray. Right, guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the likes. Thank you to all my new subscribers and those who have been with me since the beginning, guys. Bye.